Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am the Detail Hot Lap. It is a little chilly out here today, so we got a coat on and hand warmers for sure. So, let's get into the video, but before that, leave a like, leave a comment, and please subscribe to the channel for more content. But today, we'll be replacing the front speakers, the lower front door speakers of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. We'll go ahead and do the rear ones if it's worth it. That is the case. And at the end of this video, you will kind of find out, is it worth it? They do have the factory Alpine system with a stock amplifier that works really well, and I was hoping to get better speakers, better sound. I know on some forums and videos online, replacing the speakers in the front will drastically increase the sound quality. So let's see if that's the case. Okay, let's go ahead and take this little piece out. Kind of just pry at the bottom of this side right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the Phillips screw on the left side. That's all it is. Okay, next step. Then we want to go ahead and take out the screw that's holding in the handle. See right there. Take that out. Looks like you will need like a 3-inch to 6-inch adapter. Now that I grab my extension, let's try this again. There's a little bolt. Next we want to take a small pry tool and start taking up the window and door lock buttons. Okay, there it is. So this will be a little red clip that makes it not disconnect under like vibrations or anything. So if you slide this out with like a small tip flathead and move it to the left, we should be able to take it out. There we go. Now's a perfect time to clean this if this looks dirty on your vehicle, so that way it's out. Okay. So now let's go ahead and disconnect all the plastic pins on the back of this, and we should be good to go. Okay, let's bring you guys in. Okay, once the door is off, this will stay in the door because we didn't take out the 10mm bolt that's right next to the Phillips connection. We want to disconnect this harness, and since this harness is already disconnected, we should be good to go. That's all it is. Little quick. Okay, found the T20. Before we do this, let's go ahead and do a sound test. Alright, so it's a little T20. Alright. This is mildly terrifying. Okay. Here's what the speaker looks like. We'll do a little comparison here in a second. Here's the comparison between the new one and the old one. Alright, this should be a little plug and play. That's nice. That way. And we will go ahead and reuse this stock one, the stock bolts. I like to do this by hand just because the face of this speaker is very delicate, so I don't want to break it. That's what goes with any speaker. Just like to cover it so that way I don't accidentally slip into the speaker. I don't know about this. I don't know if you guys noticed that. The right one is playing way louder than the left one. Okay, in my opinion only, this setup is not worth your time. It is not worth taking off your driver's panel or your passenger panel to replace your stock Alpine 6x9s. The only time I would recommend changing your speaker setup in this, if you do have a amplifier that would power a higher RMS, good quality 6x9 speakers. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video. Put the stock back into the vehicle, put everything back, and chalk this one up as a loss. Now let's go ahead and get the bolt in there. Get the Phillips screw, put that in the door. Okay, that brings back the handle. Put down the trap door. We'll go ahead and reattach this. Make sure you have cleaned it before putting it back. Don't forget to raise or lower the red clip. We'll go ahead and throw in this guy. All in all, was it worth it? No. I do not think this is worth upgrading unless you have powered 6x9s that you're going to be powering with an amplifier. that is separate from the Jeep Grand Cherokee. They did a really good job with the stock OEM speakers for the Alpine systems. I thought they could improve a lot, but the way everything works in here off of the stock amplifier as well, phenomenal. I was proved wrong. I'll admit I thought better speakers than OEM would do the job, but as of right now, no. Do not do this unless you want to, but just the way the sound comparison between the left and right speaker, I was going to go ahead and do the doors, but the rear doors, but I'm going to guess those are going to be the same exact thing. So let's go ahead and return them. If you guys would do me one favor, leave a comment down in the comment section of what you guys think. Have you done this in another Jeep Grand Cherokee that worked better than the solution that I had? And or could you go ahead and leave a like on this video, and please subscribe for more content. Thank you. Peace.